All right, so for this buffalo chicken garlic taco, we're gonna need to do the taco first. So we have like soft tacos. This is white. Got some garlic powder. We got butter. So we're gonna want to put our stove on medium and take this butter and start off with 1 or 2 tablespoons. Get it in there, and we can turn this soft white taco into a garlic one. And then from now on you'll have this recipe so you could use it with many different foods. Alright, so we got the butter in there. The thing you're going to want to do is just put that taco down and stir it, and then throw some garlic on top. Then the thing we could do is use a spatula and just keep turning it. Then when you want, flip it over, and the thing is, repeat it with other garlic on there. And the thing is, you want to do is keep stirring this. You don't want it to burn. If this thing bubbles up, take a fork and poke holes in it, and you'll never notice. So just keep basically turning this till you get it as brown as you want. Alright, so it's about like a minute and a half, and we're basically done. Like I said, you can make it as brown as you want. So just keep stirring that, and then when you're done, just plate this. And that's how you make the garlic taco, and you could use this for many different things. Alright YouTube, we're at the recipe. Buffalo tender garlic taco. Say that 5 times. So for the recipe, we have buffalo tenders. You can either buy those like I did, or you can make them with Frank's hot sauce. There's many recipes on the web. There's the garlic taco we just made, and this is the optional sauce. This is 1 tablespoon mustard. I ended up using 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I used some horseradish, and I just mix that together. This is really simple. We're just going to cut this, put it on the taco, and then put the sauce on top if you want, and it's all set. This is basically kind of like a tip. It's not really a recipe or a cook. I just wanted to give you a tip, something easy to make, something different to eat, like a different taste that you can have with this virus going on and all the stress. So why not make something special and enjoy it, because it's all not about eating healthy. So I'll cut some of this up, I'll put it across, and I'll dab some sauce, and then we're done. Alright, so you can see that buffalo tenders are on top of that garlic taco. You could just eat it like that, or put on your whatever sauce. I'm going to use the sauce that I made, and just going to dab it here and there, and this will add like much more taste to it. Because this sauce right here has a unique taste. Then you have the spicy buffalo, so this thing will go good together. So put on what you want, and you're basically set. If you didn't want to use this, you could use your own sauce. Alright, so there you have it, YouTube. That's your that's your Monday upload. I will see you Wednesday, hopefully, and Friday again, maybe throughout the week. But enjoy food, stay healthy, use imagination to create new dishes, and taste and imagination is unlimited. So thanks for being here. Talk to you soon. Peace. Love you. Dan Soy.